structure in OTT becomes a great device to hook the audience. So that becomes what you do. So you can actually write a pitch. You can just develop an idea. You can in an OTT platform. If you have an idea for it, you have to always remember the sweet rule is 6 to 8 episodes season one and an idea of the season two at least. What will happen in season two? And write out your characters. Sit at home, write out your characters, do your background, write one episode if you wish, and then take it and pitch it. Go ahead and pitch it to producers who are making it. See, again, you have to see. I like this show. Who is the producer of the show? I need to target, or I need to target this director who made this show. That you can do. That's how you zero in. You just don't say, "Hey, who? I don't know anybody." You know the work, you know the person. Then look for a way to get to that person. You know, again they have if there are any calls, again if there are people who are there, another good way is like go and join a company which makes online content or any production house. Get in there and worm your way into the writing. That's one of the most practical and better ways of getting into it. Or if you can, as I said, if you can afford to sit out and write whole scripts, go ahead and meet them. There are a lot of work, the latitude is high, so you also need to figure out what kind of place I want to. It's not that only Amazon and only Netflix are the two. There are many other platforms. You can start from a smaller platform because if they seem a little bit more difficult to break in. Most people in platforms see TV serials. Maybe you can narrate in Hindi, but eventually in OTT spaces also you can narrate in Hindi, no problem. But many times you just need to be that not be wary of the fact that some of the people might not be very good at Hindi. People who are sitting across, so you should be able to help them. So थोड़ा सा English words, थोड़ा सा explain आप कर सकते हैं. Scripts normally scripts जब लिखे जाते हैं वो इंग्लिश में लिखे जाते हैं. मतलब स्क्रीन प्ले इंग्लिश में होता है और डायलॉग रोमन हम रोमन में हिंदी लिखते हैं. तो अगर आप देवनागरी में लिखते हैं नो प्रॉब्लम. अगर आपकी स्क्रिप्ट स्टोरी अच्छी है नो प्रॉब्लम, किसी को कोई लेना देना नहीं है. आप हिंदी में अच्छा लिखिए, आप पेन एंड पेपर पे भी लिखिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. लेकिन जब आप नरेट करेंगे स्टोरी में दम होना चाहिए, वो लगना चाहिए कि तो लैंग्वेज इज नॉट रियली अ प्रॉब्लम. You will find somebody who will translate and turn it into an English script or English into Hindi. That is not a problem. Yeah. Yeah. So these are the three things that are ways of getting into the industry. See, in every place you have to be prepared and try to get into a setup. That is if you cannot sit and just wait for writing work to come, you take up a day job in any capacity and work your way into the writing team. That is, in my understanding, a good way to get about it. Other ways, keep a lookout, see if somebody is looking for assistant writers or younger writers. Look for opportunities. Opportunities means labs, prompts, pitching sessions, meetings, one-on-ones, all of that. Don't ever miss them. Third is using some way to get to directors, get to producers, and pitch your stuff to them. Sometimes you may want to pitch it as an independent writer. Sometimes you might want to meet somebody and work with that person if you greatly admire a writer. Because nowadays a lot of working OTT platforms are having writers' rooms. So writers' rooms are places where there's a head writer and there are a team of writers. So among them there will always be a junior writer. Be ready to even if it's a good writer you admire and you want to, you can just get in, and even if it means taking notes, not contributing too much creatively initially, do that. You will learn a lot. You will be in the front of the eyes of all the people. Once in a while, if you are asked for a suggestion, you might come up with a suggestion. If it's good, even if it's bad, nobody is going to kill you. Nobody is going to say, "Oh no, this person is not going to be a writer." People are not really that cruel. You will find some people who might be, whatever. But mostly people, if you have a good idea, somebody will listen to you. And if you have written something well, people will read it. Have that faith. It might take time, but have that faith. And find that job in whatever capacity. But again, as I said, zero in and be prepared to take it for a couple of years. एक मैंने देखा है लॉट ऑफ यंगर people coming out of film schools or coming from wherever, they have this impatience. कोई दूसरा प्रोडक्शन हाउस थोड़ा ज्यादा पैसा दे रहा है, चलो भागो 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 भागो, या मेरे को यहाँ पे बोर हो रहा है, मेरे लाइफस्टाइल के साथ मैच नहीं कर रहा है, ये कूल नहीं है, ये थोड़े ये आउटडेटेड है, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा है। देखिए मजा आपको आएगा, बट कभी कभी आपको वो तकलीफें भी झेलनी पड़ेगी, आपको लोगों को झेलना पड़ेगा, आपको सिचुएशन को झेलना पड़ेगा। इट्स एन इंडस्ट्री, it's a lot of people, there are a lot of people working here, all kinds of people working here, but keep yourself positive, keep yourself bright, don't take things too seriously, keep reading up, keep writing, keep practicing, keep faith, because at the end of it, when you will get a chance to write your script and when it will get produced or to direct or whatever, it's just super high. I mean, उसकी कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है, इट्स अ बिग हाई। जब आपका नाम आता है क्रेडिट टाइटल्स में और कुछ चीज अच्छी बनती है, लोग देखते वी आर ऑल, हम इस मीडियम में क्यों हैं? हम कुछ और भी कर सकते थे ना, हम बैंक में, फौज में, स्पोर्ट्स में शेफ बन सकते थे, कुछ भी बन सकते थे। हम यहाँ आते क्योंकि हमको स्टोरीज बोलनी है, हमको कहानियां लोगों को सुनाने में मजा आता है, हमको एक बहुत अद्भुत सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है जब हमने कोई कहानी किसी को बताई और लोगों को पकड़े रखा और लोगों को एंटरटेन किया या लोगों को एंगेज किया। तो उस जॉय के लिए, वो जॉय हमेशा आपको नहीं मिलेगा जब आपके डे टू डे जॉब में आपको रोजमर्रा की जॉब की तरह आपको वो तकलीफें होंगी, पॉलिटिक्स होगी, मनी इश्यूज होंगे, वो सारी चीजें। बट एट द एंड ऑफ इट वो गोल कभी मत भूलिएगा कि मुझे वो फाइनली वो करना है, मुझे इंडिपेंडेंटली लिखना है, अच्छी अच्छी स्टोरीज बतानी है लोगों को, है ना। तो वो दैट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू कीप, एंड कीप रीडिंग बुक्स, कीप वॉचिंग मूवीज, डोंट सिट एंड sometimes your watching should also be a little structured if you can. आप एक फिल्म 10 बार देखो और 10 फिल्म एक बार देखो, आप ज्यादा सीखोगे जब आप एक फिल्म 10 बार देखोगे। ये मेरी थियरी है। रिपीटेडली जब देखो, उसका रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग करोगे, आपको पता चलेगा ये कोई जादू की छड़ी घुमा के स्क्रिप्ट या फिल्म नहीं आई, इसको बनाया गया, इसमें काम गया है, इसके राइटर ने भी एक सीन लिखा और दूसरा सीन लिखा, फिर तीसरा लिखा, पहले दोनों कैंसिल किए, फिर उसके 10 बार लिखे, 50 बार लिखे, फिर वो शूट हुआ। और आजकल तो इतने अच्छे अच्छे रिसोर्सेज हैं, आपको डीवीडीज पे कमेंट्री मिलती है, आप ऑनलाइन जाओ, आपको पूरी हिस्ट्री मिलती है कि कैसे डेवलप हुआ। रीड अप अबाउट द मेकिंग, वॉच स्टफ अबाउट द मेकिंग, रीड इंटरव्यूज विद राइटर्स, गो एंड वॉच videos or YouTube, and there are many free resources available to you where you can see interviews, you can see people talking about their craft. Take it seriously and watch all that things, with each movie when you or series that you do, and keep writing, keep writing scripts, scenes, and all of that.